Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got a really quick and easy DIY that anybody can do with just simple tools, and that is replace the rear lift struts in your Jeep Wrangler, and I'm doing it on a TJ. If you come to this video, then obviously you're having issues like you're seeing in my video where the window struts are no longer holding the window up fully, or even perhaps the windows just won't even stay up at all, period. Now, depending on what kind of strut you have will depend on how it comes off. These are the ones that I'm replacing it with. I got them off of Amazon. So the window struts that I got, the end cap actually has a little tab and you just push that out with a screwdriver. So I'm going to get my lift cylinder or strut ready to install, because the struts are weak and last thing you want to do is have the window come down. So basically you're going to have to hold the window up while you replace it. So I'm sticking a little small flathead screwdriver in there just to peel the little cup away. And here's a better view until my fat hand gets in the way. But you kind of get my drift. Now the second part, you take a little pry bar or something and just kind of pry it off. Don't press on the glass because you might end up smashing it. And then you can do the same on the bottom one, or just twist it away from the ball and it'll come off. I just use my little pry bar to pry it out. Then of course, grabbing the new strut, and these ones here just quite simple. You just gotta find the hole, press them on, you'll hear them snap into place. Hook up the bottom one, and I found with having one brand new lift strut in, was able to hold up the window. So here's another video with a helmet cam showing you how to do the opposite side, in case you found that the first set of videos was not clear enough. First off, again, use a pry bar, and this is what I'm talking about. You can try to pry it away, but it gets kind of awkward to kind of get a grip. So then I say screw it. I'm just gonna grab the strut, twist it, and pop off. Grab the new one, find the hole, line it up. I think I need my bifocals on almost. Snap in the bottom. That's it, you're done. That's pretty simple. This project should take you about 10 minutes, and I can feel the power on the new lift struts already. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you guys in the next video.